Today I am gonna be shooting myself for a Valentine's Day shoot. Valentine's Day is coming up. I want to try and push out more creative photos this year because that is something I'm really passionate about. Well, on YouTube I post some tutorials and sometimes some mindset videos. On Instagram, if you guys follow me over there, I post some creative editing there too. Generally when I do a photo shoot, like it feels good. Oh my goodness. This is too dark. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I am on site of photo shoot location, aka this black backdrop, because I am going to attempt to recreate the picture that I made last year, only instead of red, I'm gonna be doing blue and white this year. I have a sentimental bone in me where I like to just recreate pieces that I've done in the past to see how much I've improved, whether it be through photography skills or editing. So I have here something very nostalgic, and it's actually the reason why I decided to come up with this photo shoot. I found these. It is the main character of this whole piece. I found these stashed away in my pile of childhood things. I don't know if you guys remember this. It's like how you used to bejewel your flip phones. Who remembers bejeweling flip phones? That was a good era. These are so cute. They're like little bumpy 3D stickers that I'm going to put on my face. And because they are from my pile of childhood things, it will possibly ruin my skin. So if I put this on my face and I break out, just know that it was for the shot. You guys better follow this video along. See the final result. Look how cute, and then it matches. So if you have nobody to celebrate with, you just celebrate you. You celebrate yourself. Have my tweezers? Let's go. So what I'm thinking is that I should go from biggest to smallest, like little heart tears down my face. What do we think? Do we want like upside down hearts? Is that too dramatic? It's a little bit dramatic. You're gonna watch this process, so if it doesn't look good here, you'll know what to do for yours. You know what? I'm just gonna bite the bullet. I don't even know if these will stick properly. Oh, this is kind of cute. They say you should protect the part of skin under your eyes, so this is me protecting silver. Oh my god, is that cute? I kind of dig. I have to make this even. If any of you guys are sticker fans out there, let a girl know. It's bringing out my inner child. Who used to stick stickers all over their face, their hands, the walls? If you could get away with it, let me know in the comments down below, because that was me and my sister. Okay, I like it. I've decided. You just have to decide that you like your fit, that you like your look. Otherwise, you'll doubt it the whole day and then you won't feel confident. So you know what? We're deciding right now that we like it. Everybody deserves love, including you to you. That's actually a reminder for myself. You might think I'm talking to you, and I am, but I'm actually also talking to me because I think that's very easy to forget, and I could use the reminder too. All my blush and contour for what? For it to be covered by stickers. This is cute. Oh my god, I really hope I'm able to get good shots with this, because this is effort. All of this to get that money shot. I've decided that this is cute and I like it. I have bangs need to behave. Bead situation here, one over here, and I'm just about to do the last one, and then we can get started. I dig it. It matches. Look, color coordination. It's a bit dramatic, which I think is the point. I kind of feel like a Valentine sad alien. If I was really crazy, I would have dyed my whole hair blue for the shot. Okay, and the last thing that I want to do is use this cling film over here, rubber band. Okay, and I'm gonna put it over my camera. Oh, my rubber band, to give it that really cute, smudgy effect. And then I'm just gonna take some Vaseline and just rub it along the side. Attempt this kind of like more dreamy look. Okay, time for the light. Adds a little flavor to it, no? Ooh, this is kind of a vibe. It surprisingly still takes me a while to get into the photo shoot. Like the first couple shots, first like 100 shots even, I will feel like more stiff and I'm like, I don't know what to do, because I'm not a model, so I'm not like trained to move as fluidly and nicely and know all my angles and stuff like that. So it does take me some time to get into it and just like test out different angles and different kind of poses to really get the vibe across that I'm trying to create. I really just want to have one shot where it's like highlighting these stickers. This is looking a lot more sad girl than romantic girl, which was not what I intended, but it's working out. It's the theme now. Oh, I should look up. Heavenly. That's how people cry in movies. They look up, and it's very dramatic. Pretty dramatic. It's also harder because I am my own photographer as well as the model in front of the camera, but I'm just using tripod here, so which is all the more reason why you guys can definitely try this on your own if it is something you're interested in. Little elf action over here. Let's try this look. I love taking you guys on these behind the scenes photo shoots with me. I think it's so much fun because it's a little bit more vlog style and it's a little bit more casual, and you guys can actually see what it takes to get ready for a photo shoot and also just like put all of the creative energy there. It is not as glamorous or as snippy as people might see on social media. So if you're ever attempting your own self-portrait, creative self-portrait, I definitely recommend it. It's so much fun. It does so much for you and it really boosts morale. It does so much for my own confidence and all that stuff, and I'll get more into that in a later video, but for now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to join the creative community. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of these kind of creative photography pieces, and if you're here for the results, here we go. So with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye!